Hello, welcome to SkyData. This video is designed to give you a short tutorial on how to get started setting up the data sources to your SkyData account. By now we've assumed you've logged on to www.skydata.com and you've created your SkyData account, and you've received an email giving you an activation link, and you've clicked on that link to activate your SkyData account. The rest of this video will walk you through the next 3 steps. How do you connect to your data so you can access it through SkyData? How do I download the SkyData client to my phone? And finally, how do I log into SkyData from the phone and start using SkyData? Once I log into SkyData, you'll immediately go to the first step, which is connecting data sources so that I may access them via my mobile device. You'll see here a list of tiles which represent the different various data sources that I can access. Connecting a data source is very simple. All I need to do is click on that particular tile, and you'll notice on the right side, in this case it's Jigsaw, I would like to hit the button Connect Now. At that particular point in time, I've now connected the Jigsaw data source to my SkyData account. Let's go ahead and connect a couple other accounts. Yahoo. Another account that's useful for me to access via SkyData is Yahoo News. Again, like Jigsaw, I simply click on the tile, hit the Connect Now button, and SkyData verifies that I'm in fact connected. Now, some data sources require login credentials, such as LinkedIn. So in this case, when I click on the LinkedIn tile, SkyData will prompt me for my LinkedIn password. When I hit the Connect Now button, SkyData is verifying that I've typed in my login credentials successfully and will verify that I am in fact connected. Let's connect a few more data sources. One of the exciting data sources that we support is Salesforce.com. So you'll notice here that I'm prompted for an email address, and then I'm also prompted for a password and a security token. Salesforce.com has a very robust security system to ensure that there's not fraud or tampering from another computer. A security token, if you've never accessed one of these before, is the ability to quickly and easily request a new token from Salesforce.com, ensuring that it is in fact my identity, but I'm accessing this from another IP address. If you've never accessed a security token before, there is a helpful hint here on this link that I can click on, and it'll walk me through the steps of exactly what is a security token and how do I go through the steps to access one. However, in this video, I'll actually walk you through accessing a security token myself. First, what we do is we go over to our Salesforce.com home screen, and you notice at the top page there is a tile or a link called Setup. I'll click on that Setup link, and this brings me to all the different various personal setup options I have. You'll notice under My Personal Information, one of my options is Reset Your Security Token. By clicking on that link, it walks me through the process of asking or requesting for a security token, and all I have to do is simply click on this Reset Security Token link, and a new security token has been sent to my email address, which is my Salesforce.com login. In just a moment, I'll show you the email that Salesforce.com has sent me with the security token and how to put in my password and security token concatenated together to get activated with Salesforce.com. A few minutes have passed, and I've now received a response from support at Salesforce.com with my security token. I'm now ready to proceed in going ahead and connecting up my Salesforce to SkyData. Let's go ahead and go back to the browser, and from there I can quickly see that SkyData is requesting my email address for Salesforce.com as well as the password token. Now, my username for Salesforce.com is knix@skydata.com. My password, I'll type in, but now I need to go to the corresponding email address, and I take my mouse and I simply copy and paste that token to the end of my password. I'll now click the Connect Now button, and I'll go through the authentication process to ensure, in fact, I will be connected successfully to Salesforce.com. Now, while this is checking and verifying my login credentials, we can also see other data sources that I might be interested in connecting. I'm now successfully connected to Salesforce, and the last one I'll select is Facebook. So, connecting to Facebook requires that I get a special piece of login information from Facebook. So before I can type into this particular field, which says Facebook login info, the first thing I need to do is to click here to get my Facebook login information. What Facebook requires is generating a particular code that allows our system to talk to Facebook. So what I'll do is I'll click on the Generate button, say yes, and because I'm already logged into Facebook, it took my credentials and basically generated a one-time code. I simply take that field, copy it, put that into the login information field, and click Connect Now. Again, like all the other data sources, SkyData gives a verification that I am in fact connected to Facebook. So at this point, we've connected up Salesforce.com, a Jigsaw company profile feed, my LinkedIn connections, my Facebook friends, and some Yahoo News. For the next step, we're going to now go to downloading the client so I can get started with SkyData on my mobile device.